Hello, fourth grade families. Okay, so unfortunately, all of my students are out by the time I'm making this video, so I don't have any scholar help today, but I wanted to go over changes in quantities and just identifying patterns. Some of our scholars got stuck because it's algebra and we're putting in letters and that can be confusing, so I just wanted to send a simple video on how to do it. So here we have our table, and all they're asking us to do is to complete the table for the equation. They've given us this equation. They've given us all of our y values. So this is the only value that we're changing. So for the first one, we have, oh, my hand is hitting that. We have x equals 3 times, that y value, the first one we're solving for, is 1. Oh, switch pens, plus 5. Now I can solve this. PEMDAS tells me that I must do parentheses first. 3 times 1 is 3. I bring the rest of my equation down. Now I can do 3 plus 5, 8. And then that's my x value. All they're asking for here is, instead of placing this 1 in at the red, I have y equals 100 instead. So each time I'm plugging in a different number for this red value right here, my y. Now, this bottom one, 2, was a little bit more confusing because we had to remember area and perimeter. Please remember that area equals length times width. Here, they've given us all of the lengths and you're solving for the widths, but I know that every area of this square is going to be 100 meters squared. So now I'm solving for the width. If I know my area equals 100 and they've given me this length of 50, I know that 50 times something is going to get me 100 because length times width equals area. So 50 times, I would say 2, is going to give me 100. You're solving that for all of these to find the width. Once I find that, then I find my perimeter. My perimeter equals length plus width plus width. So if I have a length of 50 and a width of 2, then I know that I must do 50 plus 2 plus 50 plus 2, which would altogether give me 104 meters to find that perimeter. I suggest finding all the widths and then finding all the perimeters.